In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download data from Koyfin. By the end, you'll know exactly how to export a clean, ready-to-use file from your watch list and open it in your favorite spreadsheet program. Start by opening Koyfin and signing in to your account. Once you're in, head to your watch list. You'll find it from the left-hand sidebar by clicking on My Watch Lists. If you have multiple lists, select the specific watch list you want to export, so you're working with the right group of securities. Before exporting, make sure the columns you want are visible. This part is important because Koyfin exports exactly what you see in the table. Use the column controls in the watch list to add, remove, or rearrange fields like price, daily change, volume, market cap, PE ratio, or any other metrics you track. If a column isn't relevant, hide it now so your download stays focused and easier to analyze. You can also drag columns to reorder them. That order typically carries over into the exported file. Take a quick look to confirm everything you care about is on screen, properly labeled and not cut off. Next, locate the Download or Export button on the watchlist page. It's usually positioned at the top right of the watchlist table. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a downward arrow, an export icon, or a button labeled Download or Export. Click it to start the download. Your browser will save the file, most commonly as a .csv, which stands for comma-separated values. This format works across tools and is ideal for quick analysis. If you don't see the file appear, check your browser's downloads area or your default downloads folder. Some browsers ask you to confirm or choose a location, so just approve the download if prompted. Once the file is saved, open it in Excel, Google Sheets, or another spreadsheet program. In Excel, you can open it directly, or import it if you want more control over formatting. In Google Sheets, upload the file to Drive or open it from Sheets, and it will parse the columns for you. If your regional settings use a different list separator, you may be asked to confirm delimiters. Choose comma to ensure columns line up correctly. From there, you're ready to sort, filter, create charts, or combine this export with other datasets. That's it. You've signed in, selected your watch list, confirmed the right columns, exported the data, and opened your CSV in a spreadsheet. Simple, fast, and accurate. And